How to track your order on Uber Eats app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. On the search bar, search for Uber Eats. Then have this application installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Then you want to log into your account. Now first of all, you can browse all of these options and then place an order. Once you have placed your order, there is an option to track your order on the Uber Eats app. For that, you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on the orders option. Once you tap over here, you will find a list of your current orders. As you can see, I do not have an order. However, once you have placed your order, it is going to show up here. All you have to do is select your current order, then tap on the track option to view the status. It is going to look something like this. Look for the description to understand its status. Once a delivery person is selected, a map appears showing their location. Track your delivery person's progress as they make their way to you. You're also going to find the estimated arrival over here. You can also send a message or even call them to find out about your status. For orders with multiple delivery people, you want to contact each delivery person separately. And this is how you can track your order on the Uber Eats app. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.